Imagine a world where all your waste from an entire year fits into a single jar. This is the goal of the zero waste lifestyle. Every year, millions of tons of waste are produced, impacting our environment, health, and future generations. Jack Hannan and Atik Zaman in 2018 highlighted that humanity's failure to manage waste has created some of the most polluted and impoverished areas on Earth. This makes it urgent that we act now to address this issue. Today, I will argue that although adopting a zero waste lifestyle comes with its challenges, it is both practical and crucial for reducing environmental harm. The waste we produce is unsustainable. Overflowing landfills emit harmful gases which contribute significantly to climate change. Plastics, which break down into microplastics, pollute our water and soil, posing a threat to both wildlife and humans. One striking example of this is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a floating mass of debris covering 1.5 million square kilometers, which endangers marine life and ecosystems. The widespread use of disposable products is the main contributor to the problem. Single-use plastics are responsible for much of the toxic waste, leaching chemicals into the ecosystem. Plastic waste has become so severe that 75 to 199 million tons are now in our oceans, as Ukpana mentions in her 2024 article. These plastics account for 80% of marine pollution, particularly from items like plastic bags, bottles, and packaging. Landfills, which are a main contributor to climate change, account for about 5% of global greenhouse gas emissions, as UBQ mentions in 2023. With global waste production surpassing 2 billion tons annually, of which only 13% is recycled, the consequences of our current waste management practices are devastating for both the local and the global communities. Despite the severity of the waste crisis, the zero waste lifestyle offers a practical solution. By focusing on reducing, reusing, and recycling, individuals can significantly decrease the waste they send to landfills. Simple changes such as using reusable bags, composting organic waste, and buying in bulk to avoid packaging can have a meaningful impact. In addition, making products like toothpaste or shampoo at home reduces the need for plastic packaging. To get started, it's essential to conduct a waste audit at home to identify single-use items you can replace. Transitioning to reusable alternatives such as glass, containers, and metal utensils is another step. Composting organic waste and recycling responsibly should become part of your daily routine. However, adopting a zero-waste lifestyle does come with its challenges. The initial investment in reusable products can be costly, and convenience of single-use items is hard to resist, especially in food packaging. Furthermore, not everyone has access to recycling centers or bulk stores, making this lifestyle more difficult for some. If more people adopted the zero-waste practice, the impact would be profound. The World Bank estimates that by implementing effective waste management strategies, global waste could be reduced by up to 60% by 2050. Additionally, the Ellen MacArthur Foundation in 2023 reported that cutting plastic production and increasing recycling efforts could reduce ocean plastic pollution by 80% by 2040. World Bank mentioned in 2018 that, on the other hand, without action, global waste is projected to increase by 70% by 2050, surpassing 3.4 billion tons annually. Yen Tran in 2019 warns that continued inaction will worsen pollution, furthermore damaging marine ecosystem, reducing biodiversity, and accelerating climate change. Imagine a future where oceans are clean, landfills are nearly empty, and humanity lives in harmony with the planet by making mindful choices. While the zero-waste lifestyle demands commitment, it offers an effective way to reduce our ecological impact. We have examined the unsustainable waste levels we produce, explored practical steps for adopting a zero-waste lifestyle, acknowledged the challenges, and visualized the significant impact improvements that can result from our actions. Let's not wait till it's too late. Start small, eliminate one single use items from your daily routine, and encourage others to do the same. The choice is simple. Act now and help preserve the planet for future generations, or continue down a path that leads to irreversible environmental damage.